Hi guys, it's Mokube here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up short remix in your YouTube channel. That is in such a way that somebody can use your YouTube video to do short remix, or you can make it in such a way that people cannot use your video to do YouTube short remix. So let's get into the video. So the first thing is that you simply need to log into your YouTube channel. Once you're there, you simply need to click on what content. After that, I'll simply need to choose the video in which I want to do that. So I'll click on the first one. I'll click on what details. After which, you simply need to what? You simply need to scroll down. Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Okay, you are going to see short remix. So you can see allow video and audio to remix. If you leave it there, okay, after that, the second one you're going to see allow only audio to remix. So guys, if you want only the audio should be remixed for this particular video, that is people should use it for YouTube shorts, you can simply leave it on that. So guys, but if you don't want anybody should use your video or sound for YouTube shorts, that is for short remix, you simply need to click on what do not allow remix. So guys, that's actually the way you use YouTube short remix. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in the next video. Peace out.